In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay account. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up your account and be ready to explore eBay's features. Begin by visiting the official eBay website, using your preferred web browser, or download the eBay mobile application from your device's app store. Once you're on the home page, locate the option labeled Register or Sign Up. This option is typically found prominently displayed on the main screen. After clicking on Register, you will be prompted to choose between creating a personal or business account. Select the option that best suits your needs. Next, you will need to fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate and accessible for future logins. Once you have completed the registration form, click on the button to submit your information. eBay will then send a confirmation message to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for this message and click on the verification link included in the email to activate your account. This step is crucial as it helps to ensure the security of your account. After verifying your email, you will have the opportunity to add additional profile details such as your phone number and shipping address. It is important to review eBay's policies and terms of service carefully during this process to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user. Completing this step accurately helps protect your account from potential security issues. Once your account is active, return to the eBay homepage and log in using your newly created credentials. You will be taken to the My eBay dashboard where you can begin to explore the platform. From here, add a payment method to facilitate purchases or sales and update your profile settings as needed. Consider setting up security features such as two-factor authentication to enhance the protection of your accounts. Now you are ready to browse listings or start selling items depending on your goals. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.